The Ketchup King's ketchup food. This level is a fun level. Now, you have to ask, why do you make a fun level in Mario Maker 2? You make a good level. Well, it needs to be a good challenge, like my level. As you can see, don't worry, this is just the introduction. And I can go in this pipe, and here's the real fun. How? Now, how do you make these levels, you ask? I have the secret to making these levels. How do I get up there? Oh yeah, I touched the hammer. Okay, so we're gonna make a starter level based on this. And I'm gonna show you the core physics of making a good challenge in Mario Maker 2. No one will boo it. I'm sure no one will. The first thing of making a challenging course is to make it a challenge. First, you must do this for the enemies. Like, this Goomba is way too weak. You should replace it with something like Morton. Or even better than Morton, Giant Morton. And erase that Goomba. As you can see, this will be fun. You're running right into Morton. Oh no, it's a power up on a track. And that question box might need to another power up. That needs to be fixed. Let's add a boo. Let's add a boo over here. A lava bubble over there. A chain jump through here. And for the last one, it'll be, let me think, a giant Bowser would be nice. But do we have enough room to put it? Yes, we do have enough room to put a giant Bowser here. But it's a disgusting coin. No one wants a coin. Instead, we'll make it think like the bears are going to be rewarded if they do that. But nope, it'll just be a giant boo circle. No, the giant boo circle will come next, replacing the spike. And in replacing, I'll just put a giant fish on my head. Now let's see what'll work. Let's see how the level works. So far this level is doing great. It's a great challenge. Now for this Yoshi. I'm surprised to say that this Yoshi will be replaced with a star. But also add a cape, a pea balloon, a fire flower, a mushroom, and the original Yoshi. And we'll put it right here by doing this. We'll add some hidden blocks. So, if Mario press play, you want to get all these cool items, but they cannot fit through. And there's no enemy he can reach, and basically he's soft locked. And to make the soft lock even worse, I'm going to make it 500 seconds. Boom, now this is missing some flavour. Let's add a few enemies. And by a few, I mean a lot. Let's add one hammer bro for each step. Of course we're going to make the flying hammers go everywhere. Let's erase this mode to make room for this army. Yoshi can taste being hit by a hammer, but he can't get being hit by a hammer. LOL. The next thing you need to do is add a few more giant Bowsers to make the day fun. And that's how you create a good level, a good challenge level in Mario Maker 2. Now excuse me, I need to prepare for another tutorial video that'll be coming out next week on Dracovish TV.